Hi, I'm Michelle, the PYP coordinator at CIS. For our grade 1 to 3 students, UOI Inquiry Learning helps them explore, ask questions, make connections, and build confidence as young learners. At this stage, students are encouraged to explore, ask questions, make observations, and share their thinking as they develop confidence as young learners.
Hello, I'm Jacqueline, the grade 1A homeroom teacher. I am very glad that our student was able to take part in this UOI assembly. During the preparation, they showed confidence, teamwork, and the courage to express themselves. We have always valued our UOI lessons. Recently, the children explored forces like pushes and pulls through experiments and rocket cars. I hope they keep being curious, open-minded, and reflective learners.
Hello, my name is Jenny. My car went fast on the floor. I was curious to see how it moved.
Hi, I am Elias. I liked making my rocket car. I tried again and made it better.
Hi, I'm Kyla, the grade 1B homeroom teacher. In our UOI class, students explore how forces help people and objects move through hands-on inquiry. They investigate pushes, pulls, movement, and friction in everyday life. We also took part in the school UOI assembly where students were very engaged and confidently sharing their learning.
Hello, I am Enzo from grade 1B. We tested cars on ramps. The smooth ramp made the car go farther. I love exploring in UOI.
My name is Lynn from grade 1B. I learned a push move things away and a pull brings things. So the UOI is amazing.
Hi everyone, my name is Miss Aaliyah and I am the grade 2 homeroom teacher. In our UOI unit, we just learned about life cycles, specifically about mealworms. The class, they got to read books, they did their own research, they wrote about the life cycles, and we even got our own pet mealworms, and the students got to watch them transform into beetles in the classroom. They also created and performed their own mealworm rap song, and they performed it at our assembly. All of these different experiences, they really help the students to build a good understanding of life cycles while developing inquiry, communication, reflection, and responsibility.
My name is Tiger. I'm from grade 2. In UOI, I learned about beetles. I looked closely and asked questions. I shared my idea with my friend.
Hello, my name is Vasilisa. I'm from grade 2. In our UOI, I learned about the mealworm life cycle. Mealworms change into a pupa and then into beetles. This helped me understand how living things grow and change.
Hello, I'm Marley, the grade 3 homeroom teacher. In grade 3 UOI, students explored different ideas through hands-on activities and real classroom experiments. Recently, we have been learning about friction, push and pull, and how different surfaces can affect the way objects move. Students tested different materials and surfaces to see what made objects move faster or slower. It was great to see them ask questions, make observations, and learn science by trying things themselves.
Hello, I'm James from grade 3. I enjoy UOI because I can ask questions and try things myself. Today we learned about friction by testing different materials. I found that some surfaces are smooth and some surfaces make it harder to move.
Hello, my name is Jenna from grade 3. I like UOI because we can learn by doing activities in lesson. We used push and pull to test friction on different surfaces. It was fun to find out what made the object move faster or slower.